Your passion is your dream that can turn into reality through small business setup. Thanks to social media generation, it is possible. It is possible for each one of you. However, social media could be challenging, frustrating, intimidating and overwhelming at the same time. I understand you because I have been through it, and if you are the one who want to turn your dream into reality and looking for a way to start it in a right direction, then you have come to the right place. Hi, I am Bina from Art Passion. When I started my small business, I had very limited information available, and that's why I exactly understand how it feels when you are starting out and you don't have that starter kit that can give you right start in a right direction. So once I realized that, I decided to create this course that could be helpful to many of you. If you are the one who wants to turn your passion into reality through small business setup using social media as your marketing channel, then this course will teach you how to create your customer base, how to set up your brand and develop your brand, how to set up your social media pages, then what tools to use for content creation, what kind of content you can create and deliver that content. So in short, this is like a starter kit, as I mentioned earlier. So you can start your journey in a right direction with right energy. This course is for everyone. If you are the one who is about to start, who has already started and who has already started but looking for more alternatives. So welcome to the class. I will see you around and I am glad to be part of your journey. So let's start the journey.